Hey guys, so I'm going to show you really quick how you can adjust the different flashcard settings to give your students the tailored experience that you would like. So once you're in your class, you could go ahead and choose one of the flashcards that you've already added. And then you see all of the different flashcard modes here. So when you click on a flashcard mode, it's actually going to bring you directly to the screen to adjust your settings before you give it to your students. So you can change the access. Maybe you actually don't want them to have learn mode. Maybe you want them to stick to just the regular flashcard mode. That is entirely up to you. So you could toggle access off, but it's automatically going to be on just to give your students choice. You can also adjust the length per round and the different question types for this mode. So you could turn on or off flashcards, multiple choice questions, written responses, true and false. There's also settings for the question format and different learning options that you can adjust for your students. After going through the settings, you can save them, or you could try as a student too, so that you can really preview the experience that they're going to have. When you go ahead and click on the other flashcard modes too, right? So spaced repetition, again, you're going to see different settings like the question types, the format, the learning options, along with settings for the time intervals. So you can really determine how this experience is going to be for your students. And of course, you can always toggle on or off if you don't want your students to be seeing a certain flashcard mode on their end. And last but not least, I'll show you match 2. Once you open that up, you will see a bunch of these settings on your end. So we hope that you enjoy using flashcards with your students and that you get to make this experience exactly what you want it to be.